Objective: the purpose of this experiment is to separate the chemical mixture by using thin layer chromatography method. Thin layer chromatography is one of the most effective methods of separation. This method is based on the restriction of the component to be separated on thin layer based on the solvent used. The layer of the solvent absorbed on the chromatographic paper as a stationary phase and the solvent used as a mobile phase. The component will move at different rate on the chromatographic paper when using different solvent. Based on the differences in the movement of this compound, a chromatogram will be formed containing separate component. Development of chromatography method started in 19th century by Michael Schwabe. Michael Schwabe is credited as being the father of liquid chromatography. In 1938, Ismailov and Schreiber described basic principle and used it for separation of planet stars. Move on, 1944, Gordon and Martin started using filter paper for separation of amino acid. In 1950, Krishna, who used impregnated glass plate coated with alumina, identified terpenes. 1958, Ergon introduced a standard equipment for preparing uniform thin layer of known thickness. Separation is based on principle of adsorption chromatography. In thin layer chromatography, the stationary phase is coated onto a thin sheet of glass, plastic, and aluminum as a thin layer. Solid material is used as a stationary phase and liquid is used as a mobile phase. The component move according to relative affinities. The component with more affinity towards stationary phase travel slower. The component with less affinity towards stationary phase travel faster. Separation occurs due to distribution of solid molecules between a stationary phase and a mobile phase. Sample solution is poured on plate. Mobile phase is allowed to run through this plate, and after development of plate, RF value for each solid is calculated. Generally, paper chromatography is used for color separation, but now its application has been widely spread. As you can see in the screen, I have stated 7 applications of thin layer chromatography.